Well, today we're going to be talking about the MX4 from Meenjet and Sneed Coating Solutions. This is a 4-pin printer capable of a maximum of 2 inches worth of print height. You can do multiple lines. Right now we've got it set up for 1 line per head. You can do multiple lines within each head. Main screen here, you've got your basic information. Of course, the intelligent inkjet printer, date and time. Your file name that tells you what file is currently printing, current counter number, voltage and pulse width. These are the firing parameters for the cartridge that's installed and selected. The print mode is for sensor. That lets you know you're using the external sensor, not automatic or anything like that. Current speed is set to 10. That's a fairly fast speed. Keep in mind with the Meenjet series, 0 is your fastest, 100 is your slowest. Interval is currently at 100. We have our gray level set to 1. That's your boldness. I like to keep it at 1, 2 maximum. If we need any higher than that, I like to increase the font size. Over here we have your cartridge levels. Currently using brand new cartridges, so they all read as 100%. On the right hand side, you have your file access. This is where you would go to create files or load files. Your settings. This is where you would go to adjust any of your firing parameters, delays, speed, set your system clock. Any of the necessary settings are accessible through this button here. Next is your print button. This turns your print on and off. And your power button. That allows you to either turn off the screen or shut down the whole system. And at the bottom you'll notice we have a scrolling message. This changes between your print on and print off. Now, to complete the tour, on the outside here we've got 2 DB9 ports. This is for incoming information from external data sources. We also have on the top multiple USB ports, as well as a network port and an HDMI. That is for an HMI output. On the bottom you have your photocell input and encoder input. And keep in mind that the pins are numbered from right to left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that corresponds to the pins on the head, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we've got this one mounted. We're using the Meenjet encoder, the included photocell, and we're currently printing with JW11 ink. That's your basic overview of the MX4. Feel free to check out some of our other videos. Thanks for using Sneed Coating Solutions.